My name is Rachel Mosser. I'm an attorney here with Maginnis Howard. I mainly do personal injury and wrongful death cases. I was born originally in Canada. I was about 8 years old when we decided to move down to Greenville, South Carolina. One thing that kind of pushed me into law was that I'd always thought I had a passion for it. I love criminal shows. I loved criminal podcasts. The other thing that was a big key factor in kind of pushing me towards law was my grandfather. My grandfather was one of the youngest judges in Canada. I graduated, unfortunately, in the height of the COVID pandemic. Our year was also a very unique year. We were taking the universal bar exam. The traditional bar, which a lot of my fellow associates took, gave them the ability to practice in one specific jurisdiction. Nowadays, there's an agreement between 35 states that all recognize the universal bar exam. So they're able to pass the results amongst one another as long as you score sufficiently high for each jurisdiction. And I passed the bar with a high enough score that I could practice in any of the jurisdictions that accepted the universal bar exam. Early 2021 was when I started with Maginnis Howard, and Sean has been my mentor ever since. Originally, civil law was definitely not the plan. My focus in law school was all criminal, but having experience in civil law right out of law school really kind of showed me my abilities to expand beyond just criminal law. The passion that I had for prosecution was really more a passion for the people and representing the people and the people's rights. And so what we do here when I represent people in personal injury is very similar. You know, it's us, it's the people versus those big insurance companies. So I think that's why I was able to kind of bring that passion I had for criminal over to civil and really nurture it into something more. Having an attorney that understands personal injury law, understands your personal injury policies, and understands the system is extremely helpful for a person that is injured, overwhelmed, and burdened by something that they didn't do. So giving them the ability to have someone on their side and have someone advocate for them is what I really enjoy about personal injury.